We will soon be going to the Birmingham Zoo in Alabama. I know our classroom can seem like a zoo sometimes, but this is the real zoo with real animals. Before we go, let's explore some of the animals we will be seeing. Maybe lions, tigers, or bears. Oh my! There are many different animals in the world. Each animal belongs to a class. The 6 most well-known classes are mammals, birds, reptiles, amphibians, fish, and insects. The first class of animals that we might see on our trip to the zoo are the mammals. Mammals have spines. They have hair or fur. They give birth to live young. Mammal mothers nurse their young with milk. They have lungs and need air to breathe. Mammals that live on land have 4 legs and ears that stick out. They are also warm-blooded animals. Just like you've seen in the previous pictures of the elephant, the gorilla, and the zebra, these all are mammals. There are more mammals that we might see at the zoo, including the fennec fox, hippopotamus, rhinoceros, or giraffe. These are all mammals we may see at the zoo. The next class of animals that we may see at the zoo are birds. Birds have spines, feathers, and wings. Birds lay eggs. They at least have 2 legs. They have ear holes instead of ears, and they are also warm-blooded animals just like the mammals. There are many types of birds at the zoo that we may see, including flamingos, lorikeets, owls, parrots, cockatoos, and pelicans. The next type of animals that we might see at the zoo are reptiles. Reptiles have spines. They have scales, not fur. They have dry skin. They usually lay eggs and sometimes they give birth to live young. They have ear holes instead of ears. They have 4 legs or no legs at all. These animals are cold-blooded. Other reptiles we might see at the zoo may be turtles, pythons, and lizards. The next class of animals that we're most likely to see at the zoo are amphibians. Amphibians have spines. They have moist, smooth skin, no hair or fur. They live on land and in water. They have webbed feet. They breathe with lungs and gills. Sometimes they have 4 legs or none. They may lay eggs, and they are cold-blooded animals. We may see a salamander or a frog. The last 2 classes of animals that we would see are the insects and fish. Insects have a hard outer covering called an exoskeleton. They have a body that is divided into 3 parts: head, thorax, and abdomen. They have 6 jointed legs. They usually live on land and in water. They usually have antennas to use to hear, touch, taste, and smell. The 2 insects you see here are a cockroach and a beetle. The last class of animals we would see is a fish. There won't be many fish at the zoo. A great place to see fish is an aquarium. In the picture is a catfish. I hope you have a better understanding of the different types of classes that animals are in. When we get to the zoo, we'll talk about each animal specifically, including their life cycle, their habitat, their food, their needs, and their features. I can't wait to take you all to the zoo.